Today, we're diving into the world of health and wellness with a focus on an incredible tool that can transform your lifestyle. A health tracker application is a mobile tool designed to help users monitor and manage various aspects of their health and wellness. These applications typically allow individuals to track physical activities, such as steps taken, distance traveled, and calories burned. Users can also log their food intake, monitor nutritional information, and set dietary goals. In addition to fitness tracking, these applications often include features for monitoring vital signs, such as heart rate and sleep patterns, and may offer insights into overall health trends. Many health trackers also provide reminders for medication, hydration, and exercise, making it easier for users to stay on top of their health routines. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of health tracker applications has inspired you to take charge of your health journey.